So here's all of our ingredients. We grow all of this on our property. We have lemon, we're gonna use lemon zest. We have butterfly pea flowers. We have ginger root. We have elderberry, these were previously frozen. We have fresh rosemary, and then we have fresh Puerto Rican oregano. Now we're also going to add apple cider vinegar and honey for a sweetener. You don't have to add these two things. Most of the time we're just using these basic ingredients. So now we're gonna bring this all to a boil. You can use this really cool teapot. I'll put the link in the description below. Or you can just put it in a pot and strain off all the extra stuff.